Hello to everyone, especially to the students who enrolled in College of Engineering, BS Maths, BS Physics, BS Chemistry, BS Stat, and BS Education Major Maths. And to those students that your courses were not mentioned in my vlog, as long as you enroll this subject, which is Integral Calculus for this semester, I would like you to invite to study with me today. My topic is all about definite integral involving exponential function, and the limits are in the form of natural logarithms. Okay? So, on the board, I have three numbers. Okay, number 1, I have integral from 0 to ln 2. Now, the integrand is e to the x dx, while number 2 is integral from ln 2 to ln 3, e to the x dx, and then number 3 is integral from 0 to ln 5. The integrand is circle brackets 2e to the x plus 1 dx. Okay? So I will solve first number 1. So I will let u in here will be x. Differentiating both sides, that will be dx. Okay? So this will be integral from 0 to ln 2. Then e u dx is du. Okay, so from indefinite integral, we have integral of eu du. This will be eu. Then limits from 0 to ln 2. Okay, so plug in the value of u. So e raised to x. Then limits from 0 to ln 2. Then plug in upper limit minus lower limit. So this would be e ln 2 minus ln, e to the ln. E to the 0, So this will be cross out ln, that will be 1. So this will be 2 minus, take note, e to the 0, that will be equal to 1. So this will be equal to 1. So for number 1, the answer is 1. From integral to 0 to ln 2 ex dx. So that's number 1. Then how about number 2? The same. U will be x, then du will be dx. Okay, so this is the same. They just matter on the upper limit and lower limit. So this will be integral from ln 2 to ln 3. Then this will be e. This will be u. Then dx will be du. Okay, so from indefinite integral, so this will be eu. Then this will be limits from ln 2 to ln 3. So this will be e f of b minus f of a. This is the upper limit. Then this will be the ll, lower limit. So this will be x first, and then this will be limits from ln 2 to ln 3. So this will be e raised to ln, plug in the value of x, ln 3. Then this will be minus e raised to ln 2. Okay? So, take note. This will be 1. So, 3 minus. This one will be 1 also. This will be 2. So, the answer will be 1. So, for number 2, integral from ln 2 to ln 3 ex dx is equals to 1. Okay? So, I'm done with number 1, number 2. So, the last will be number 3. So, for number 3, I will split this one. I will split the integral. So this will be integral from 0 to ln 5. Then this will be 2 e to the x dx. Then plus integral from 0 to ln 5. Then 1 times dx, that will be dx. So 2 is a constant, so I need to isolate from the integrand, so meaning I will place outside. So 2 integral from 0 to ln 5. Then I have now e to the x dx. Then this one will be x. Limits from 0 to ln 5. Okay, so in here, let u will be x. Du will be equal to dx. Okay, so allow me to erase this portion. Then this will be, just follow the arrow. So this will be 2. Then integral from 0 to ln 5. Okay, then e, u, then dx is du. Then plus, plug in. So circle brackets ln 5 minus ln 0. So, this will be 2. Indefinite integral of EU du is equals to EU plus C. So, meaning, this will be EU. Then, limits from 0 to ln 5. So, take note, ln 5, this will be ln 5. This will be undefined, so just cross out. So, I have now 2e, plug in the value of u, that will be x, limits from 0 to ln 5. So this will be 2. Open bracket, so this will be ln e to the ln 5. Then minus e to the 0. Then this will be plus ln 5. Okay? So take note, e to the 0 is equals to 1. Then e to the ln 5, this will be crossed out. So this will be 5. Okay? So I have now 2 circle brackets. This is 5, right? Cross out. So this is 5 minus e to the 0, that will be 1. Then plus ln 5. Okay? So this will be 2. 5 minus 1, that is 4. Then plus ln 5. Then multiply 8 plus ln 5. Okay? So this will be the final answer for number 3. Integral from 0 to ln 5. Then circle brackets 2 times e raised to x plus 1 dx is equals to 8 plus ln 5. Since I'm done with number 1, number 2, and number 3, I think that's all. A friendly reminder, if you have questions regarding this matter, just leave your comment or comments in the comment section. Then, if you agree with me, please like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Franz Mats TV. Thanks for watching.